ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ Cbse ಮತ್ತು ಆದರ್ಶ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವರಿಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Yes, good evening, my dear students. Welcome you all to our second session. And alternate day, as I mentioned you, I will take Monday chemistry, Tuesday mathematics, Wednesday chemistry, Thursday mathematics, Friday chemistry, Saturday mathematics. Alternate day, and it is given in the WhatsApp group. And to join WhatsApp group in Logzi, the links are given. You need not send the links to your friends. Just inform them that open the Logzi channel description box. So there the link is available. Directly they can join. We have put the link there. Okay. Okay. Now what I thought is we have to start the chapters from tough to easy. So in both the state and Cbse or NCERT syllabus, there are few chapters which are tough. In mathematics, there are few chapters which are tough. We'll start from those chapters. Many students find handling these chapters difficult. Therefore, I thought to start with the trigonometry. Let us start trigonometry. Trigonometry. Right? Trigonometry. We'll just recall the basic concepts of the trigonometry, one of the important branch. Another new branch you are learning or developing is a coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. You studied coordinate geometry in the 9th standard, right? Coordinate geometry and trigonometry are the new branches. Both of them end with metria. They are related to geometry only. Tri means 3. The trigonometry has got 3 words. One is the tri means 3. Gono. Gono means angle. Angle. Metria means measurement. Metria means measurement. Measurement. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics. We can define trigonometry as the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of relation between sides and angles of a triangle, or measurement of angles of a triangle, and deals with two things. Trigonometry deals with the 2 things. One is measurement of angles. Measurement of angles. Measurement of angles. Measurement of angles. And also relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. It was initially used in Egypt to measure heights of the pyramids, you can measure the distances, but that is the application of trigonometry. Second part of the trigonometry, where the trigonometry is used. Without climbing Qutub Minar, you can measure the height of the Qutub Minar sitting in the lawn. Without jumping into the water, sitting on the lighthouse, you can measure the distance between two boats or two ships. That is a major application of trigonometry. In the second part of the trigonometry, we will be learning about that. And another new branch introduced or developed, it was introduced in the 9th standard and developed is coordinate geometry. It is a development of geometry. Like trigonometry, what coordinate geometry does? Coordinate geometry can be defined as a bridge between algebra and geometry. Algebra and geometry. Means this coordinate geometry deals with expressing a geometrical figure in terms of algebraic equations. Algebraic equations. Right? It was developed by René Descartes. And Descartes started this particular branch. It is also related with the geometry only. Trigonometry has base in geometry. Coordinate geometry also has base in geometry. Therefore, these particular two branches are originated from the geometry only. Geo means earth, metria means measurement. To measure the earth, geometry was started. And geometry is the base to develop these two branches. And why I am mentioning you have to master these trigonometry and coordinate geometries. Once you go to 11th standard, this particular trigonometry will develop into what? Calculus. This is the another new branch is introduced in 11th standard. In 11th standard, you will be introduced with another branch, that is calculus. To develop a calculus, you need what? Trigonometry. Even coordinate geometry will also be developed into study of ellipse, hyperbola, circle, right? Straight lines. We will be learning in 11th standard. So therefore, basic concepts of coordinate geometry, basic concepts of trigonometry, you have to learn first. So I will come to coordinate geometry little later. First of all, let us come to the study of the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the development of the geometrical figure, that is triangle. Initially, this particular geometry, that is trigonometry, was started with a right angle triangle. Let us draw a right angle triangle. Right. Later, it can be applied to any type of the triangles. You will be learning in higher classes. And initially, it was started with a right angle triangle. Let us take a right angle triangle ABC. You know that what are the parameters of a right angle triangle? Generally, a triangle will have totally 6 parameters. 3 angles, 3 side irtav. They are written as angle A, angle B, angle C. You can observe them. Generally, side opposite to the angle A in a trigonometry is written with the symbol small a, like you are using in Heron's formula. And side opposite to the B is written as small b in trigonometry, in any triangle. And the side opposite to the angle C is written as small c in any triangle, right? In particular, in right angle triangle, this particular base, we call it as adjacent side. What it is called as? Adjacent side. Adjacent side. We will simply write it as ADJ dot, adjacent side. And the side opposite to the right angle, this is the right angle. Angle B, angle ABC or angle B is a right angle. What is the side opposite to it? Opposite to it is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Which is the longest side of the right angle triangle? It is called as hypotenuse. It is called as hypotenuse side. Okay. And this is perpendicular. Generally, this perpendicular in coordinate geometry, that's the trigonometry, we write it as opposite side. Opposite side. It is opposite to which angle? Opposite side. This opposite side and adjacent side will depend on which angle you are taking. But hypotenuse will be fixed. See, if you are studying trigonometry with respect to this angle, angle C, then opposite to this AB becomes what? Opposite side, and BC becomes what? Adjacent side. And if you take A, with respect to A, if you take, then the opposite side becomes what? Then opposite side becomes, if you take this with respect to angle A, then this opposite side becomes, this will become what? Opposite side. In case of angle A, opposite side. Only these will change. With respect to A, what is adjacent? With respect to adjacent will be AB. Adjacent will be AB. Okay. Means in a right angle triangle, in any right angle triangle, in the study of the trigonometry, we consider that there are three sides. The base is called as adjacent side, and the side opposite to the angle with respect to which you are studying the trigonometric ratios is called as opposite. Suppose if you are studying with respect to angle C, then AB becomes what? Opposite side, BC becomes adjacent side. Suppose that you are studying with respect to angle A, then BC becomes adjacent, that is opposite side, and AB becomes adjacent side. This you have to keep it in your mind as the first step. Okay, I hope the things are clear at you. Let us come to the point. Now, in the first topic, we are studying trigonometric ratios. What do you mean by ratios? Generally, any ratio is a fraction. Ratio is a fraction. A fraction will have numerator. What do you mean by ratio? Ratio. A ratio will have fraction. Say, if I take a 3/4, it is called as a ratio. There is a small technical problem. It will be reconnected. Just wait. Again, not